Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about Canadian roses. Roses are popular and well loved in Canada, just as they are in many other parts of the world. However, growing roses in Canada can present some unique challenges due to the country's varied climate zones. Here are some key points about roses in Canada. Canada boasts several notable rose gardens and festivals celebrating these beautiful flowers. Montreal Botanical Garden features a renowned rose garden with a variety of species and hybrids. Toronto Botanical Garden offers a diverse range of roses, including both modern and heritage varieties. Victoria's Government House, home to one of Canada's largest public rose gardens. Explorer Roses. These were developed by Agriculture Canada to be hardy in zones 3 to 6. Examples include John Cabot, William Baffin, and Henry Hudson Parkland Roses, another series bred for cold hardiness and disease resistance, including varieties like Morden Blush and Prairie Joy. Old Garden Roses, known for their fragrance and hardiness, varieties like Rugosa are often recommended for colder climates. Old Garden Roses, known for their fragrance and hardiness, varieties like Rugosa are often recommended for colder climates. Planting. Roses should be planted in a location that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily and has well-drained soil. Pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain the shape of the rose bushes and encourages healthy growth. In Canada, pruning is typically done in the spring. Watering and fertilizing. Roses need regular watering, especially during dry spells. Fertilizing should be done according to the specific needs of the rose type. Hardiness zones. Canada spans USDA hardiness zones from 0 the coldest to 9 the warmest. Roses need to be chosen based on their hardiness zone to ensure they survive the winter. Winter protection. In colder zones, roses often require winter protection. This can include mulching, using rose cones, or burlap wraps to shield them from harsh conditions. Growing roses in Canada can be highly rewarding with the right preparation and care. The availability of hardy varieties and proper maintenance techniques can help gardeners enjoy beautiful blooms throughout the growing season. I hope you have liked the video. We will meet in the next video with an exciting topic. Until then, goodbye and take care.